Hello and happy June, my crafty friends. DJ here from Hither and Yon Studio with your June page prompts and all your papers for your cottage garden journal. So if you're playing along, there's some new prompts. They're in the same folder as all the other pages. So you can just go to where your April and May papers are and they'll be in there. So you can just look for June and you'll find them. So I have 6 new prompts for you for the month of June, and then I'll show you all the papers. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're new here, hello, welcome into the studio. My name's DJ, like I said, and I do paper crafting. We do junk journals. We're working on this beautiful cottage garden junk journal, call it what you will. I have some other names that I use, but yeah, it's a pretty little garden inspired journal, and we did 2 full signatures, and we're working on this one for June, which is empty right now because I didn't do anything yet. And if you want this free kit with all the papers, all the pieces to make this journal, all the little bits to build out your pages, it's all free until the end of June 2026, and you can get it just by clicking this little QR code up here in the corner, or jumping down into the description under this video. Under the title, you'll see more or see more, and then you just expand that, and all the links are there. You can also go over to my website, hitherandyonstudio.com, and click on the freebies, and you will find a link there to get the papers. So, what's inside June? I'm so excited! Our final signature. I don't know why that took so long to get to me, but so you'll get your 6 page prompts, and then I have just a few extra bits to kind of go along with some of the prompts, so you could have some bits to work with. Oh my goodness, look at this armadillo. What? So we have some burrowing animals. We have some butterflies, a dragonfly, some picnic items. We have beautiful flowers to fussy cut. We have some items we're going to use on the cover, or at least I am. You can use whatever you want. But I gave you some cover-related items, some new journaling cards. I have a couple, just 2, background pages. So we could kind of bring that June burst of color with all the flowers now blooming into our spreads if you want. And then finally, I have a fun little project for this page, so you can save it or just use it in your journal any way you want if you don't want to play along. And that's it. All these pages, like I said, are in the same folder as April and May, so you can go back to any one of those emails that you got and just jump in there and get them. And guys, don't forget to download all your pages before the end of June because they're gone. So even though you opted in maybe and you downloaded some, they're not always going to be there. So you got to go get them and put them all on a file on your computer or your laptop, same thing, or your mobile device. Maybe you have a phone or an iPad, wherever you store stuff, maybe you store it in the cloud. You have to move it all into there. Otherwise, they'll be gone. And then they'll be for sale on the site in July and forward, but then you'll have to pay for them. So just go make sure you download everything before the end of the month. All right, that's it. Go get your free June papers, and I will see you back here for spread 1 this week.